Sailing stars Varsha and Aishwarya, coming from middle-class backgrounds, took to sailing as fish to water. These Chennai girls showed such promise that their parents supported them right through. They were independently sailing for a long time, from the time they were 6 years of age. The national chief coach, Mr. Peter David Conway, identified the skills of this pair and suggested to Aishwarya and Varsha to take up skiff sailing professionally and as a team. Their parents supported this suggestion. This was in 2011. Their journey has come quite a long way from where it started, with lots of ups and downs. In 3 short years, they have emerged as a contender for international glory. 2014 has been a year of excellence for the duo. The 2 young achievers are now preparing to qualify for a berth in Rio Olympics 2016 to be held in Brazil. The preparation takes them to many places to compete with the best teams in the world to gain experience and confidence. Rotary Club of Madras Midtown, as part of youth service to encourage young achievers, is helping and supporting the sailing stars in any manner possible, especially in far-off locations, with local contact to provide assistance as may be needed. Varsha and Aishwarya are good role models for our youth in the country. They are proving that with a dream in their heart, hard work, concentration, focus and dedication can bring out excellence in everything one chooses to do. Aged 17 and 19, these confident teenagers look to the day when they can stand on the podium to receive their medals with the Indian national anthem being played. Let us all give these young champions a loud round of applause.